Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn alphabets A to Z. Kids colors name: blue color, green color, red color, yellow color, brown color, black color. Kids now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids first draw A. A for aeroplane. The alphabets of A, and use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw B. B for ball. The alphabets of B. Kids now draw C. C for cat. The alphabets of C, and use green color. Kids again use green color and draw D. D for dog. The alphabets of D. Kids now draw E. E for elephant. The alphabets of E, and use red color. Kids again use red color and draw F. F for fish. The alphabets of F. Kids now draw G. G for God, and again use red color. Kids now draw H. H for helicopter. The alphabets of H, and use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw I. I for ice cream. The alphabets of I. Kids now draw J. J for joker. The alphabets of J, and use brown color. K. K for king, and again use brown color. Kids now draw L. L for lion. The alphabets of L, and use black color. L for lion. Kids again use black color and draw M. M for moon. The alphabets of M. Kids now draw N. N for nose, and again use black color. Kids now draw O. O for orange. The alphabets of O, and use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw P. P for parrot. The alphabets of P. Kids night Q. Q for queen. The alphabets of Q. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw R. R for rose. The alphabets of R. Kids night draw S. S for sun. The alphabets of S. And use red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw T. T for teacher. Kids night U. U for umbrella. And again use red color. Red color. Kids night V. V for vanilla. The alphabets of V. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw W. W for wolf. The alphabets of W. Kids night draw X. X for X-ray. The alphabets of X. And use brown color. Brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw Y. Y for yak. Kids night draw Z. Z for zebra. And again use brown color. Brown color. The alphabets of Z. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.